How to use the whole cauliflower and reduce waste. Cut back on food waste in your kitchen with these tips for using the whole cauliflower. Make a meat-free roast to impress by roasting a whole cauliflower, keeping the leaves intact if you like. You can also whip up a soup with the entire cauliflower. The stems are just as delicious as the cauliflower. One way to make sure you're using the cauliflower core is to slice the cauliflowers through the core into steaks. This means you'll have cauliflower florets left over, so here's how to turn them into crunchy popcorn cauliflower. Cook cauliflower florets in boiling water for 5 minutes or until tender. Coat in egg and then toss in a mixture of combined panko breadcrumbs, finely grated parmesan, smoked paprika and chopped thyme. Place on a lined tray and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until crisp and golden. To use leftover cauliflower cores, make your own cauliflower rice. All you have to do is whiz the cores and florets until finely chopped. You can roast, steam or stir-fry the cauliflower rice until tender. For more great ways to reduce waste in the kitchen, click here.